Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to join strings in Python. So Python has inbuilt string function that is join to join elements of a sequence and which is separated by string operator. So this function joins elements of sequence and makes it a string. If you see syntax, so separator dot join and iterable. So this separator can be anything like space, comma, colon. Okay, so this can be anything. And what about iterator? Iterable. This iterable can be list of elements, tuple, string, dictionary, and set. Okay, so these are the types we can use it in place of iterable. And what will get return value is the join method returns a string concatenated with the elements of iterable. Suppose list have 5 strings, then it will concatenate that list of strings. Okay, so what is this type error? If the iterable contains any non-string value, then it raises type error exception. Now we'll see demo how this we can work. So first one is how to join in substrings in a string. Suppose I have one string. So I have one string like Python and my separator is space. Okay. So what is my syntax? First one is separator. What is separator here? Space and dot join and what is this? Iterable. So here what is my iterable? Here my iterable is string. This can be anything, no? List, tuple, string. So here my iterable is string. Okay. So here what is my string? That is my string. My string is Python. So what will, if you print this result, what you will get output is this Python, no? It is separated with space because our separator is space. So that's why this output we are getting with spaces. Between each element, no, we are getting space. Okay, so this is one example. So second example, here our string is hello. Okay, so our string is hello, and what we are our syntax is first our separator is okay, this one space, and we are joining hello. So this is a string. So if you try to print this string, no, so what you will get is this hello will be separated with this space. So if you see each element, no, we'll get this one. Okay, so next we'll see how to join a list into string. Okay, so first we'll see string type, next we'll see list type. Okay, so now I have list, one list I have, 3 elements I have, A, B, C. Okay, so this one I want to join this particular list. This list, that is this one I want to join with separator, this dash. Okay, so if you try to print this one, what this list we have elements A, B, C. Okay, this each element no will separated with this dash. Okay, so this how you can apply with list. And if you see other example, one more example, I have list of letters. Okay, these letters I have. Now I want to apply this list with separator without space. Okay, so this joining this list of elements without separator. So without separator means what it comes? Weeks. Okay, so next example is we have string gigs, and before this and starting and ending, we have space. So we want to use separator as a dollar symbol. This is our separator. Separator is a dollar symbol. So what I'm doing, print, our separator is a dollar, and I'm doing join on list one. List one means gigs. If you see in between each letter, no, it is separated by dollar. Okay. So next, how to join a list of strings with this custom separator. Suppose I have this list. Okay. So this list I want to separate with underscore with space, underscore space. So what I'm writing syntax is separator, that is this one, underscore space, and I'm joining using for loop. Okay, so what is for loop? Word for word in words. That means each element of words, no, each element of words. That is this one. Words means this one. If word, that means each element, no. So first what we have? Apple. So first it will print apple. Then what is our separator? At the rate space. So that's why we got apple at the rate space. Next, ours is empty. So since we given if word, then only it will iterate. If space is there, no, then it will skip. Okay. So that's why next it construct banana. So banana and separator is at the rate space. Next one is cherry. So that is cherry. Okay. So next element is spaces, means empty string is. So it will skip this empty string. Okay. So that's how we can use for loop here. Okay. So next our example is we have one more list. And now we have custom delimiter like arrow. Okay, so delimiter dot join my list. Okay, if you print this result, so what is first? Apple in my list. First one is apple. Then what is my delimiter? This arrow. And next it will take banana. Banana. Next delimiter. Next one is orange. See, before arrow, no, here space is there, here space is there. So that's why after apple, no, one space, then arrow, space, banana, space, arrow, space, orange. Okay. So like this, it will join. Next, we have one list. Okay. Hello world. So now we are separating with space. Okay, so if you join this list, no, so how it will come? Hello space world, because our separator is space. That's why it coming hello space world. Next example. So we have list of three elements: apple, banana, cherry. This one we are separating with comma separator. So that is this one. So how it will join? First one is apple. Next, what is our separator? Comma. Next element, what is a banana? And separator, comma, cherry. Okay. So next, our example is we have list, three elements we have, and how we want to join is our first separator is \n and dot join and this list ABC. So what we'll do first triple A, that is triple A. Since it is given \n, it will go to next line. And second element is triple B. Next our separator is /n. It will go to next row, triple C. So this is how you can use join command on strings with separator. So in this video, we talked about iterable list and string. So in upcoming video, we'll discuss about how to use on tuple, dictionary, and set. Okay. So that's all about this video. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe and share in your circle. Thank you.